Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to WinTrader. In this live video, I am going to show you the live performance of Reliance future chart, and the time frame I am set to is 5 minute. And you can see current the market value is showing here 2397. That is the current market value of Reliance future. And you can see this is our running version 8.1. In this version you can see there is a red down arrow, that is our sell signal, and green up arrow is a buy signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generated buy or sell signal, the same time there is a pop-up message will display in your screen with a sound effect. So in this alert message you will get that entry point at what level you have to buy and what level you have to sell it. The entry point you will get in that in this alert message. You can see last this white vertical line, that is a daybreak line. So we got first in this today's market we got a sell signal around 2400. You can see this price is displaying the alert message. WT8 sell signal triggered in Reliance 5 minute 2421.80, and the time is 9:20. So in 9:20 we got that sell signal, and currently the same signal is continuing. So before taking these signals, as I told us, the software gives automatic signals. So we don't need to take all the signals. First we have to check the confirmation of the signal. For checking the confirmation is very simple. First you have to wait for the signal to come. If it is sell signal, the first confirmation below you can see price. The price should be in sell. So that is the first and main confirmation. After that you have to check the second confirmation. Second confirmation we got the arrow here now. On below the arrow you can see there is a bar is here now, that is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. Means if it is a sell signal, the bar should be in red color. So you have to check only two parameters. First the arrow will come. As per the arrow you have to check the confirmation. If it is sell signal, the first confirmation it will show here like price in sell zone, and the second confirmation below the arrow you can see there is a bar is here. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is sell signal, then the bar should be in red color. So if these two confirmations are okay, then that signal is confirmed. Then you can enter with the market trade. You can enter in your trading platform. So once we enter in the market, on below dashboard you can see stop loss will display here, and it's a trading stop loss. And on the right and left side you can see target 1, target 2 and target 3. There are 3 targets. And for example, if the market is 20 market, then the signal will continue after hitting our target. At that time software gives a re-entry option. You can see in the re-entry suggestion is right now is showing wait. If the software gives a re-entry suggestion, in this place you will get an entry point, new entry point and a new target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. So if you don't want to take any re-entry suggestion, re-entry signal, then you can wait for the next fresh signal to come. So checking the confirmation is very easy, and it's all working with real-time data. There is no delay in the data. You can add any chart, like if it is MCX, our software support all major financial market. If it is MCX, NSE cash future options, FOREX COMEX, all market cover in one software, and it's all working with real time, and you can use it for intraday trading, scalping trading and swing trading. And right now you are watching our running version 8.1. Actually we are marketing this software from 13 years and we are updating the version also. Currently the running version is 8.1 and we have a scanner 1.2, and you can see in this version you can see there is red stars, and on below there is a blue stars are here now. That is a resistance and support level. So if it is you can check it, that blue line. Currently in Reliance the support is 2393.80. The support level is 2393.80. So if it is break that support level, then Reliance again will go down. And if you check that resistance level, currently the resistance level is this 2422. So if it is break this level, then market will go up. So and you can see then in between these candles, there is a red and a green line is going. That is the trend line. This green line indicating the uptrend of the market and red line indicating the downtrend of the market. And in between this candle, you can see multi colors are forming now. So normal colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, some different colors will form, like orange colors, light blue, empty candles and white candles. So these are the indication of sideways. So the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the candle. So it's giving an indication that is going sideways. And it's all features and it's the same software as I told. So same software, you can use it for all major financial market, and we are charging only one-time payment. Updations are free for our customers. There is no extra charge. you will get all training session, normal process. If you are interested to purchase the software, after the installation of the software, we will install the software within 10 minutes, and after the installation you will get a training session also how to use the software, and the functions will explain during that training session. And after that lifetime support will be there. If there is any problem with the software, means if you have any doubt regarding the software or you need any technical support, you can directly contact us. And right now I'm giving you a live demonstration. If you are interested to check the live demo, you can contact me. My name is Ganga and my number is 9061973737. I have WhatsApp in this number, and you can contact me through WhatsApp or call. And www.wintradersoft.com, that is our official website, and in that website there is a reviews page is there. The reviews page is there. Don't forget to check that reviews page. That is the original reviews by our customers. And thank you for watching my video.